Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we are back with our IDW13 smartwatch. And this time we are going to check on the available watch faces for the smartwatch. As you can see here, we have the VeryFit application. So we are going to check on the watch face market for this smartwatch. We are going to download additional watch faces as well as custom watch faces if there is an option for that. So if you have any questions regarding the IDW13 smartwatch, especially on the list of watch faces, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start. Let's check the smartwatch first. So as you can see here, it's already preloaded with the watch face. So to check, okay, or to change the watch face, just long press and you can swipe and check on the additional watch faces for your smartwatch. Okay, so this is a digital watch face. Just long press and you can swipe and check for other watch faces. Tap on to select. Okay, so to download additional watch faces for the IDW13 smartwatch, just go to the watch face market, tap on more, and we have here at least installed watch faces for your smartwatch. Okay, built-in watch faces. So let's check. Okay, first the UI here. So the dashboard for the watch face market, we have new arrivals, features, and photo. I think this is the custom watch face. We have practical, doodle, female. So this is for women. Dark theme, astronaut theme, blooming, robot theme. We also have custom. Okay, so additional. Okay, what's the difference between these two? Okay, we have a photo and we have a custom. We'll check on that later on. And we have simple and festival. Okay, on top we have here manage watch faces. So we have cloud watch faces. So let's check if we can remove it. Okay, so you can remove all of these watch faces. As you can see here, we have a minus sign. I think you can delete it. So let's try and remove one. Okay, as you can see, we have successfully removed the watch face. So let's see. Okay, let's synchronize. Okay, we have a new version. Later on we're going to upgrade or update our smartwatch. Okay, so let's see if we have successfully removed. Okay, we only have at least 2 watch face here, I think. Okay, that's it. We only have 2. Okay, that's good. Okay, most of the smartwatches in the market don't have this feature. Okay, so let's download additional watch face. Let's go with this one, Space Planet. Okay, install. Let's see if we'll have any issues. Installing. So it's already done with the downloading, and now it is syncing the watch face. That's it. Wow, very fast installation, as you can see. No issues at all so far. Okay, and we have a beautiful watch face here. Okay, I think I'm beginning to like the IDW13 smartwatch. I love the support app. Okay, so with this one, photo, let's see, custom. Let's tap. So select from album, take photo, record of usage. We'll select from the album. Okay, let's pick this one, our favorite. Okay, then done. And we have it here. You can change the color of the text, position of the time, as you can see here, then install. So let's see if we can install a custom watch face. Installing. So for the connectivity or the downloading is fast, very fast. One of the fastest so far, okay, in this category of smartwatches. Okay, so we have it here. So let's check the available watch faces. We have one, and we have the previous downloaded watch face. We have at least 4 watch faces now. Okay, so far successfully with a photo. How about this one? The custom watch face here. Okay, what's the difference? Watch face pictures are for illustration only. Contents displayed including but not limited to the background. Actual may vary. That's it. What's the purpose of this one? More. Okay, I don't see any. So it's not a custom watch face. I don't know. Let's just try. Okay, I'm curious. Okay, so the storage is full. So you have to remove at least one watch face here. We'll remove our custom watch face. Done. Again, you can only store at least 4 watch faces, I think. Or maybe depending on the size of the watch face. It's now installing. And we are done. So what's the uniqueness of this one? Nothing. Okay. Maybe it's just a category custom, but it's not a custom watch face. Okay. Let's go to the settings of this smartwatch. Maybe there are some options there. Display, watch faces. Nothing. There's no option, nothing. Display, on screen time, raise to wake. Make it. Okay. Okay, I just say simple watch face. There's no option. Okay, let's have additional watch face. Okay, I love the ease of downloading of the different watch faces here. Okay, where is it to install? Let's, okay, this is for sale. Okay, okay, so only few smartwatches or watch faces are free. Features. Okay, let's have an additional watch face. Tap on it and install. As you can see here, you have to delete. Let's check installing. And we have the watch face, I think. Okay, so we have at least, how many watch faces do we have? We have 4 watch faces. The previous one, the last one that we downloaded, was automatically deleted when we installed a new one. Okay, so you can also purchase here on the features. Let's see. New arrivals. What is the mode of payment for this one? Buy. Okay, you have to log into the account and register an account. Okay, to be able to purchase additional watch faces. Okay, so that's it for the IDW13 watch faces. Downloading of watch faces from VeryFit application, as well as installing custom watch faces. So far, no issues at all. Okay, except that it has, the smartwatch do have a limited memory or storage for the watch faces. You have at least four only. You have at least four watch faces, okay, available for your smartwatch. You can download only four watch faces. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions regarding the video demo, okay, especially about the VeryFit application and the IDW13 smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.